All right, so with growing our scallions, just like anything else, we need to fill up our pot with dirt. Pull up your sleeves here. All right, Kinsley, put the dirt in the pot there. No, put the dirt in there. And then the dirt right here. Alrighty, pat it down. Alrighty, put some more dirt. Alrighty, pat it down. Alrighty, should be good. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to spray. Hold on, we're going to spray. Now what we're going to do is we're going to spray our dirt with some water. Alright, that's good. Yep, that's it. That's it. Thank you. Alright, now what we're going to do is put our scallion seeds in there. Yes, you can. So we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle those in there. We're going to put about a little bit of a handful. Got a little bit of a handful here. We're just going to sprinkle these in. So go ahead and just take them out of my hand, Kinsley, and sprinkle them on there. All right, we'll go like this in a circular motion. All right, that works. Whatever method works to get them on there. Taking a look at this, Halen? You learning? Yeah, that's her word. Okay, you want to try? Yeah. Okay, Hey-Hey's gonna try. Let's leave her some. Let's leave her some. All right, Hey-Hey. You want to try? Here, grab some. Wow, good job. Can you put some in there, more in there? Good job. High five. Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna put the rest. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take a little bit of dirt. So pick a little bit up, Kinsley, and just sprinkle on the top. There you go. Good job. And do a little bit more. That's it. No, that's it. That's it. But we don't need any more. Okay, now we got to get our water. We're gonna spray some more water on the top.
That needs a lot.
Be careful not to spray too much. We don't want to upset the seeds. They're just in there. So spray this side. Now I had to turn it because you're getting too much on the side there. You can spray it. Alrighty. That's it.